I was afraid for the 2 renters that lived in there because we didn't know how bad the fire was.
I guess I was just figured when we got there it would be up in flames, and here it was already extinguished. They just said, okay, what do you think happened? And I said, well, you can look at the side of the house here and see what happened. And the fire chief agreed. He said, yeah, there's where it started. So no. It was devastating to me because I figured they were going to have to tear the whole place down. That's what I thought they would probably end up doing, was just tearing both sides down and rebuilding. And they said, oh, no. They said, we can make it look like new again. And of course, Schwartz did the job.
I didn't walk inside that night to see, but from the outside, it really did look like possibly the whole structure would have to come down. And that was going to be hard. I thought the team was magnificent. Actually, there were really some joyful moments, and it was all because of the team. We just met so many nice people that first night, and then after that, we got names confused because there were so many people. But like I said, it was just a pleasure. It really was. As devastating as it was a pleasure to go through the process with the people.
I think while we were there, I called the insurance agent, and he assured me that we were insured. And I said, oh, that's good. And he said, who do you want to do the work? And I said, I have no idea. And he said, well, how about Schwartz? And I said, if you recommend them, I guess they're okay. I said, okay, call them. And they called them, and boy, they were there, I'll bet within 30 minutes from the time the call went out. And they said, well, we'll be boarding up the place and getting in some estimates and stuff like that. I said, fine, you guys are in control. So I would say check with your insurance agent and make sure that you have insurance that would cover it. And especially if it's a rental property, like our property was, make sure that the renters has their own insurance on household. But we found out ours did not. And it's bad. They lost everything. So
I would say that if you have a choice in the matter, which I don't know how many times you do with your insurance company, that you really should use Schwartz. There just was never a hiccup. And so that was very calming to us to ask a question, and it was answered, and follow through was there.
Well, I think we primarily worked with was it Joel? Joel is who we worked with, and he was one of the easiest people I've ever run into for something like this. He would recommend something, and we'd say, yep, that sounds good. That's just the way the whole process went, from painting to the flooring to the fixtures. I said he was just excellent with it. And then, of course, the office manager.
I want to talk about Cheris because I'm the one that dealt with Cheris, and like I said, she is amazing. It's I don't know how many years she's been there, but she knows exactly what she's doing, and she is just a dream person to work with when it comes to the bookkeeping, when it comes to getting things to you. Ben is really cute too.
Well, being a neighbor, it helps too. We actually got to meet her one time there at the house, and she was a real joy to be around. She said she liked our answering machine on our telephone, and I said, "Hey, it's been on there for a long time." But yeah, she was a real treat to work with. So I guess everybody else. I actually was over there about every day that Schwartz was there doing something, and I talked to all the employees I think that they had, and they just assured me, oh, this is going to work out perfect, and it did. The place is beautiful, so actually better than what it was before, so, but yeah.